Welcome. In front of me is an Oukitel K13 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can boot this device into boot mode. So to get started, all you need to do is hold your power key, select power off. Once the phone turns off, hold power key and volume up at the same time. Once you see this screen right over here, that's it. You're now in boot mode. Now in this mode you will need to use volume up only to navigate through the three options that are visible right here. So the first one is recovery mode, then we have a fast boot mode, and lastly we have a normal boot, which will take us back to Android, which is what I will select right now, just so I can go back to my operating system. So once your option is selected, the one that you want to confirm, press volume down. And there we go. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.